wizard.
Hey everybody, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I want to talk to you not just about our products, but why you would use DRP Enterprises in southern New Jersey for your project. Whether it's restoration, deck building, whatever, we are the leader. One thing a lot of people don't know in South Jersey is, Everett Abrams being the Wizard of Wood, I actually teach wood restoration across the country, both on online platforms and for other associations and organizations. So I've been doing that for over 20 years and over 10,000 contractors. So I'm one of the leading experts in the industry and pretty well known. Usually I don't talk about that kind of stuff, but I wanted to bring that to everyone's attention that might be considering DRP Enterprises. And the reason I do that is because as we start looking at today's products, it's becoming very difficult for both consumers, contractors, everyone, to decipher the best way to do wood restoration. And in doing so, the different products that are out there. We all used to use the same thing because we're all using oil-based stains. Everything was, bleach and clean and so forth. We found out over the years that bleach isn't the best thing for cleaning wood. It has its place in wood restoration. And then we have water-based, oil-based, hybrids. There's so many different products out there, and they just don't restore like they used to. And customers and you folks watching this get frustrated. Contractors do, homeowners do, and a lot of people are still using old methods. One of the neat things about using DRP Enterprises is we have DRP stand is short for Deck Restoration Plus, and we have our Deck Restoration Plus products that you see right here with me. So when you see, we have two different types of strippers. We have oil-based and water-based, and that's why we use the two different types of strippers. Not only do we have a deck cleaner, but we also have a restore, which is in between the restoring and the cleaning and the stripping. So we've covered every scenario that your wood, the condition of your wood is in. We're not taking your wood and saying, okay, we got a cleaner, we got to strip it, and that's it. There are different scenarios, and we can cover each one of those. Added with a brightener, our Deck Restoration Plus wood brightener, and we restore the wood back to its natural tone and color. That doesn't mean there's not some sanding and other things that have to go into prepping the wood, and that's why we're the best at what we do. You people that are in South Jersey and are watching this video, you're fortunate that we're here and you can hire us to do this work. I will tell you, we're not the cheapest. We definitely are the best. We have a great crew. They're very professional. They love working for customers. They love the feedback they get when we fully restore a cabin or a deck, a fence, anything wood outside. The gratification you get instantly when a customer is really happy is amazing. And that's why I love what we do. I love my company. I love the people that work for me. And then once we've done all that, we have to stain it. So now what are we going to do? We have 11 different tones and colors. Locally, they're in spots in Medford. We're taking these into other stores. We have distributors across the country, and we sell the Deck Restoration Plus deck and wood stains. The reason I have the Morristown Brown in the gallon and 5-gallon pail here is because this picnic table was actually stained, restored and stained with our Morristown Brown. It's a beautiful tone, beautiful color, and very happy with our products. So you say, why would I use DRP Enterprises for your next project? Because we are the best. We cover everything from A to Z. We're the best products, best restoration. We cover every angle. We have the best stains for your project. We provide you also with a discounted maintenance plan for after when we leave. We never have to go back to the original price as long as we can keep maintaining it. There's just a lot of reasons for using DRP Enterprises. Anyway, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. I wanted to bring that to you and explain to you why you're going to call us and why you're going to use DRP Enterprises for your next project. Thank you.